Today we talk about how can you enable sync contacts on your Discord app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on you down here. So when you just click on you, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on content in social here. Then you just scrolling down here. So until you will find your same contacts, just click in this sign. You click here on allow. So then you click here on allow here again. Then it's going to enable with you here when you add your phone number here. So then it's going to enable with you here sync your contacts here on your Discord app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.